What you got?
All right, I'm going to show you my new contraption. You know, sometimes you get, hold on a minute.
You hurt your knee,
I hurt my knee.
but you're getting better.
And you know,
You've been wearing
let me
crutches.
show you a couple of things. You know, just sometimes, you know, you get kind of tired, your shoulders get kind of cramped up like that. Just tired. Using these little things like this, you just say, you know what, every now and then I need to be walking and stretching and stuff. So, got me a really strong cane. Got little 4 stoppers here. See? Now, can even stand by itself if it wanted to. So, you can twist like this. And you know what? Oh man, can't see. No problem. No problem. You can see everything. And I can even see you from far away. So, you know what? Might be on a plane one day. And it's going to be kind of crowded when I'm sitting down by people. So, you know what? No problem. Where's my bag? Do you know what? One more thing before I let you go. Oh man, I'm getting so tired.